Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're taking care of your health, working on yourself, doing all the things that you need to do today. So this video is for you, and I'm going to talk about cardio and meditation. Word be praised. The time is your time to do whatever you need to do. So this is going to resonate with you if you're working on your project and you need some guidance. This is the place to be. So let me just get into this topic. So yeah, like, subscribe, you know what to do. Let me just go into it. So I'm going to talk about all the things that I've gone through these tough times, and the things that I had to we all face, because we all had. Well, I could see there's a lot of people who have gone through all these tough times. People just drop out your life. People let you down. People just were in the race with you, and then they pull out the last minute. And yeah, been there, done that. So I'm going to share my experience with you, and I'm going to talk about how to overcome that. So for me, cardio has made a big impact in my life, and it has changed so much for me. And once I've done all that, like working out, make sure that my body the main thing I want to talk about is the reason why I do cardio. I want to make sure that my whole body is in good shape to do the work that I want to do. To do this, I need to make sure that I can move my body. So I do my cardio every day, from Monday to Sunday, every day, to make sure that my whole body can actually move. And plus, it's not just losing weight. Yeah, you will lose weight doing cardio, but it's about just moving your body, making sure that you can stretch and you're not just breathing heavily, because you're overweight and you're not really moving. I mean, I see a lot of animators like that, and yeah, you don't want to be like that. So you want to make sure that your body is in good shape to do the work. Because for me to do this, I want to make sure in 5 years' time that the way I look now, I still look like I'm 21. So even though yeah, so I want to make sure that I still look like this, even though I'm not 21. But you guys can guess if you think I'm 21. So the main thing is, I want to make sure that I'm focused. So Buddha be praised, good energy, bad energy out. That's what I want. So I want to make sure that I meditate. So when I do my cardio, 8 a.m., I'm sitting there doing my stuff, stretching, do what I need to do, doing all that stuff. And then I'm going to sit back, 5 minutes, meditation, breathe in, breathe out. You could do it outside if you want to. I do it indoors. I do it when I want to do it outside. If I want to do it outside when it's not raining like mad out there, because the weather keeps changing every time. So I said, I'm going to do it here. And plus, I prefer to do it here because I can actually just go straight in and do some work, because I got a lot of work to do. So this is the reason why I know there's people who like to go to the gym. I used to go to the gym every day. Well, when I was going to the gym, when it was before 2020, until when it was like COVID-19, everything started to change from that. But I was like, I said to myself, well, I don't want to spend so much money just going to a gym when I can do it here, and I'm burning the same amount that I'm burning out there. So I was like, I'm saving me more money not going to the gym when I can just do the gym here. So it's just, cardio seems to cover everything. I'm learning so much about, keeping my body in good shape. I'm still learning every day, and you're learning every day. So that's how I do it. So I know there's people who like to go to the gym, and but for me, I don't want to go to the gym, like walk 50 minutes there, 50 minutes back, and then take a shower. I could take a shower every day if I wanted to, but just like, I just want to do everything here so I could just go straight into my work. So I want to make sure that I keep my time schedule. I don't want to like waste any hour. I want to make sure, hold on 1 second. I want to make sure that every hour is used, and I don't want to spend so much just walking down and walking back. It's only 50 minutes, but I want to keep everything here so I don't have to waste so much time when I can just easily just do the work that I need to do today. So cardio, meditation is the best therapy. It's the best cure. I recommend it. So try it, see what works for you. It's going to change so much, especially with these tough times where I know people are going through, where people just drop out of your life, people who have let you down, people who don't care, blah blah blah. But once you find your place and you start to work on yourself, it's going to change so much. Like, you don't have to worry about anybody else, because if people really cared about you, then they would be in your life right now. Like I said, real people have value. Fake ones don't have value. Focus on you. You will get there. You will get by. You will find your place. So this is the reason why I'm in good. Well, I'm in a good place right now, because I'm seeing the results. The hard work, or say the hard work, is paying off. It's paying off. Whether I'm doing it, it's working for me, and it's working in my favor. The universe has my support, or it's supporting me, and it's working for me. So I'm getting a lot of support from the subconscious, or the universe, whatever you want to call it, God, whatever. It's working for me, and like I said, with good energy. That's another thing as well. I already said this in my other video about good energy, but it's not just meditation. You want to make sure that you have good energy around you, so you don't have any negative thoughts that's going to downgrade you to become Goku whack, the druggable super Goku. You don't want that Goku. Trash. Give that away. You don't want that. You want to stay on that Goku black energy, that badass energy. This is where this is where my transformation started to show. It started to peel away all the lies that was told that it doesn't work. Or sometimes there's information that you have to find yourself, because sometimes there's no guidance how to. Even though I make guides videos, but I'm making guide videos based on my experience that has helped me, but there's no guidance how to overcome certain things. You'll just have to go through it for yourself, and then share it with someone who's going through it with you. So hopefully you find something that will help you from this help you in this video. So I would say, try cardio, meditate. These are the two things that has helped me through these tough times, and this is the reason why I stay focused, because it's not just doing cardio and meditation, it's being surrounded by good people that's going to help you win. You know, that's the main thing. So that's, even though it's just cardio and meditation, but it's also having the right type of people that's going to actually help you get there. Not people that say they want to help you and then they drop out, like most people do. Like what we see here. You know, I've been there, done that. We know how that is. It feels like shit, but end of the day, you're still here doing what you're doing, and you keep doing what you're doing, because you're going to get there, and it's going to feel great. You're going to be victorious, and you're going to find your place somehow. So keep doing what you're doing, and yeah, try meditation, whether it be praise, cardio, stretch, keep your body in good shape. You want to make sure that you are ready to do the work when the time hits you. When it's time to, pass the torch, you will pass the torch. If you feel like your body can do it, then keep on doing what you're doing. So, until your time is up, your time is up. But keep doing you, and work on you, and yeah, try cardio, try meditation, and let me know what you think from this video, if this is going to help you. So this has helped me, and I'm getting great results doing this. So find what works for you. If you don't do cardio, do yoga. Yoga, I know there's people who prefer doing yoga. I know there's people who like going to the gym. That's great. Some people like to jog. But I was so happy that I found cardio, and cardio was the best thing for me. I could do it in my own home. I don't have to go outside and waste so much time, when I can just basically do cardio, take a shower, work on my projects, and then I'm done for the day. So hopefully, yeah, find what works for you. I mean, you probably prefer yoga. Yoga's good. I don't do yoga, but hopefully I know there's someone that does yoga. Use that. That helps. So yeah, that's the end of my video. So hopefully this video will resonate with you. And if you like this video and it's useful, give it a like, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. You know what to do. So yeah, have a good day, and you will find your place. Do what works for you. Bye-bye. Have a good day.